one time in the morning, and wait, this afternoon, I just did do a dishwashing, keep going really fast. And then I put a shelf on, and I put on the counter one, because there's like no room for the dishwashing rack. And then I'm getting really almost there, and then I'm done. Now I have a pack and ready to go home. Then I did a planning budget. And this time, I don't forget about the Tom's Farm Market. And no worries. I'm just packing lunch. So just in case. There's no need for that. It's okay. I'll be fine now. Be cool.